Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Well, it's been quite some time now that we haven't got to any cleaning chores, and if I look around the house, things are really dusty and need immediate attention. So, for the start, I thought of taking it, something that needs right immediate attention, and that is
The aquarium and the bathroom. Okay, so let's start with the aquarium first. Now, we usually change the aquarium water like every 15 days and deep clean the aquarium like once a month. But this time it's been quite some time, like more than a month now, that we haven't cleaned the aquarium, and the water was pretty stinky. Also, the aquarium glass had these green stains on it, and if you notice, the pebbles in the between the aquarium like had this buildup of algae on it. So that is the reason I wanted to clean this aquarium on priority basis. Now it's pretty hard to clean the aquarium all by myself, so I had my dad to help me along. Okay, so now the first thing that I do is pump out some water from the aquarium, like about half a bucket, and then fish the fish from the aquarium and transfer them into this bucket so that I could drain the remaining water. So the water that is drained from the aquarium is used for the plants in the garden outside, and I believe it's a perfect manure since it has a lot of the fish waste in it. Okay, I did manage to transfer some of the fish from the aquarium to the bucket, but there was some fish still in there, and since the water level is still very high, it was quite difficult to chase the fish and fish them out. Also, some of this fish is quite delicate, so you got to be very careful while fishing them out. So I came up with this idea. I thought like once the water level reduces, it will be pretty much easier to fish them out. In the meanwhile, I collected all the colorful stones from the aquarium to wash them separately. In this way, they wouldn't get, mixed up with the regular aquarium stones. This Symphon water pump is a pretty amazing tool to use to drain out your aquarium water. And as you could see, my dad, draining all the water for the plants outside. And now that the water level has reduced, it was much easier to catch the fish and transfer them into the bucket. Look at this, guys. The water beneath the stones is like red, and I guess this is because of the fish food, which is usually red in color, and also the fish waste, which has given this water that red color. Okay, so next I transferred all the stones from the aquarium into the bucket because these need to be thoroughly cleaned, and it is also quite difficult and it gets quite heavy to carry the aquarium along with the stones outside in order to deep clean it. Okay, so as you can see, you gotta be very careful while washing the aquarium. Since it is glass, a slight jerk could, crack the whole glass. So you gotta be really careful. Also, in order to cushion the aquarium, I made use of an old rag that I have placed under the aquarium. And now first I'm going to wash the stones, and in order to wash the stones I have made use of some rock salt, that's non-iodized salt. And basically salt helps to kill any bacteria, also helps to get rid of all the slime and the algae that's stuck to the stones. So a couple of rinses and your stones are good to go.
takes me to a special place in my mind where we can be together, and I still hope that you'll be mine forever.
Okay, now here comes the most difficult part, that is cleaning the aquarium glass. So I basically use any dish soap to clean the aquarium glass, and the real challenge is, like, since your hands are soapy, you need to be very careful while washing it. So I had my dad to help me hold the aquarium in place, and also the fact that the shape of the aquarium is hexagonal, like I was a little bit scared that it could just trip over or something. So that was a perfect help to keep the hold on to the aquarium as I washed it.
Even though you're far away, I still know we need to be and I still hope that you'll be mine forever.
Now that I'm done washing the aquarium, I'm gonna go inside and wipe the aquarium corner, change the water from the potted plant, and give this corner a nice wipe through.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, now that the aquarium is all clean and dry, it's time to put it back in its place. After which I'm going to add all the washed stones, and then add the artificial plants. Also, I'm going to add all the colored pebbles. After which I'm going to fill the aquarium with water.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go, on we'll go.
Okay, so just in case if you guys are wondering why are we holding on to a net while pouring water into the aquarium, well, if you have been using your garden pipe for a very long time, it usually tends to have a buildup of algae. So due to heat, sometimes this lining of algae loosens up and makes its way out. So just in case, to prevent the algae or any dirt like entering into the aquarium, I always hold on to the net which I highly recommend while pouring water into the aquarium. Okay, so the water that we receive in our homes is usually treated with chlorine, and chlorine is supposed to be very harmful for your pet fish. Now, it is very important to dechlorinate your aquarium water, and in order to dechlorinate it, you can make use of anti-chlorine liquids that are easily available at any fish pet store. A quick tip that I would like to give is, and what I usually do is, I add 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt to the aquarium water. Now, salt is basically used to treat the water from any water parasites if present in the water. Okay, now moving on to the bathroom, let me show you guys a close look of the gunk and the dirt and the oil that was stuck to the walls, and why my bathroom was on the priority cleaning list.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Okay guys, so do you want to know like what is satisfying? Now if you look at the difference between the wash tiles and the unwashed tiles, like this thing like gives you that immediate satisfaction. And now that I'm editing the video, and if I look at the before shots and the after shots, this thing is like so satisfying that you feel like your like hard work has like really paid off.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Baby, it's whatever, all this ever but you long gone. It don't.
Well, cleaning the bathroom this time did take a toll on me, guys. I mean, postponing like your bathroom cleaning makes it all the more difficult to get rid of all those stains and like the gunk and the oils on your bathroom tiles. So one thing I would recommend is not to postpone your bathroom cleaning for a very long time. Well, another thing that I would like to talk about is the use of gloves. Well, I do agree that you should make use of gloves while cleaning the bathroom or the water closet. But I kind of find it difficult to work with the gloves on, so I just got rid of the gloves. But yeah, while washing the water closet or the toilet, I'm definitely going to make use of the gloves.
Okay, guys, I'm pretty exhausted now. After doing the aquarium and the bathroom, I am really tired. I thought that I would be able to finish with the water closet as well, but I think cleaning the bathroom really made me tired because there was a lot of gunk in there and a lot of oil that needed like real scrubbing, which took a toll on me. Like I just got really, really tired. So I'm going to leave the water closet for the next time. And I'll say that it's not that bad actually, because we regularly clean the water closet, so I can just postpone it for the next week. Yeah, so that's it for today. Like I think I'm done for today.
Okay guys, so let me give you a close look of the aquarium once I'm done putting the fishes back in. And that's it for today, guys. I hope today's video has given you that motivation if you haven't cleaned in for a long time. If you did enjoy the video, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified for further videos. Until then, bye bye, stay safe and take care. Hope to see you in the next video.